world where financial independence is more attainable than ever, passive income has become the key to unlocking the life of your dreams. Today, we'll uncover the top 3 passive income ideas for 2025 that anyone can start implementing right now. Whether you're looking for extra cash or striving for complete financial freedom, these ideas are worth exploring. 1. Investing in dividend stocks. First on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying companies reward their shareholders with regular payouts. This means you can earn consistent income without selling your shares. In 2025, sectors like renewable energy, technology, and healthcare are expected to perform exceptionally well. By strategically investing in reliable, high-dividend yield companies, you can build a steady income stream. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull make it easy for beginners to start with minimal funds. Remember, research and patience are the keys to success in the stock market. 2. Creating and selling digital products. The second passive income idea is creating and selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos. The best part? You create the product once, and it can generate income for years to come. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy provide the perfect place to sell your creations. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you can sell logo templates or printable planners. This idea allows you to share your knowledge and talents with the world while earning passive income. 3. Renting out real estate or space. The third idea is renting out real estate or unused space. With platforms like Airbnb, you can list a spare room, an entire property, or even unique spaces like a garage or backyard for extra income. In 2025, urban areas and tourist hotspots will continue to see high demand. Even if you don't own property, you can sublet or manage rentals for others to earn a cut of the profits. Real estate has always been a reliable source of passive income, and this year is no exception. Passive income isn't just about making money. It's about buying back your time and creating a life of freedom. These ideas are not only practical, but also scalable, so you can grow them over time. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into building wealth and achieving your goals.